winter may be coming for Leonardo, but thanks to certain adaptations that turtles have, even he can survive the longest winter of Westeros. The red-eared slider is an aquatic species found throughout the entire United States. Their native range is along the Mississippi River and Gulf of Mexico, but are invasive everywhere else. They are also on the list of the top 100 most invasive species in the world. They are strong swimmers and sleep belly up in the water. And they are also an anapsid ectoderm species and do not eat when they are too cold due to a lower metabolic rate. The study we chose was called Acute and Chronic Temperature Effects on Cardiovascular Regulation in the Red-Eared Slider. As the name suggests, they are attempting to determine if temperature has an effect on the slider's ability to regulate its cardiovascular system. 10 red-eared sliders were collected for the purpose of this study. Each was implanted with a catheter in their femoral artery and vein to monitor blood pressure, heart rate, and administer adrenaline. These turtles were placed in a water-filled plastic container and allowed to acclimate at 13 degrees Celsius for 10 days. They were then assessed by measuring blood pressure and heart rate before and after adrenaline injections. After this, temperature was reduced by 1 degree each day until 3 degrees Celsius was reached. The turtles were then allowed to acclimate for 1 week and then were reassessed. Temperature was then increased by 1 degree each day until it was back at 13 degrees Celsius. They were then allowed to acclimate again for 1 week. After this, they were reassessed once more. 1 week later, temperature was reduced from 13 degrees Celsius to 3 degrees Celsius for a 24-hour period, and the turtles were assessed a final time. During the 10-day decrease in temperature, blood pressure and heart rate decreased by approximately 38 and 63% respectively. During the acute temperature change, blood pressure and heart rate decreased at similar rates. During adrenaline administration, heart rate increased by between 90 and 170% at 13 degrees Celsius, while at 3 degrees Celsius, the changes were observed to be between a 40 and a 70% increase. Altogether, this would suggest that at colder temperatures, the red-eared slider is capable of downregulating its cardiovascular control mechanisms. This allows the turtle to not only survive through long cold winters, but also recover quickly from rapid changes in temperature. Similar mechanisms have also been found in many other freshwater and saltwater turtle species around the world.